So that's deciphering the language right there. So now you look at this. Okay, so we've got our treble clef here. Okay, this means there's 4 quarter notes here. Okay. So now you're like, what? Why is there a whole note here? Oh yeah, remember. 4 quarter notes. See? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 are in one whole note. So I wrote this under because this is how you'd count it. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're here. Now if you've already learnt the staff from before, that is actually called, that's an F right there. Okay? So you'd hold this on the piano, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then you look at the next part, and it's going to go, oh, look, now we've got some quarter notes going. And see how I have the stems down? This is a rule. Okay, anyway, I'm going all over the place now. Okay, so here's the bar right here. So when a line goes like that, it means you've already done all the beats in that bar, so now you're going to start a new one. So that's kind of how music goes along. It goes by bars. Bars, so there might be 5 or 6 bars, and then they'll run out of paper, so they'll be like, okay, we've got to start a new line, and then they start again and keep going down, and then eventually they run out of a page, and then they go to the next page. However long the piece goes on for. Okay, so after this bar, then we start again. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're using a different type of note. It's the quarter note. So there should be 1 for every beat because there's 4 of them to make up the bar. So it's all about balancing how much time is in the bar. Okay, so we have 1, and that's the G. 2, that's an A. 3, that's a B. 4, that's a C. Okay, so we counted that, so it's going to be F, G, A, B, C. So just the first 5 notes starting from F and up. Okay, so we're looking at that. Okay, so how that would correspond on the piano is, okay, so we're on our F right here. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice how I changed my speed as I changed the notes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the very basics of it. Now, if you're going to count eighth notes or half notes, a half note would actually be, you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. So there'd be a half note here and a half note here. So if you're going to play that F twice as half notes, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's just change this around a bit. Okay, so let's make this these 2 half notes, and then let's join these together. And now I don't have enough room. My beat. Okay, so I made those 8th notes, but I don't have enough room to add other notes. Okay. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay. So if you look at this now this is coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the way this is going to work is, gotta get this. Okay, 1, 2, but see, look, now these are 8th notes, right? So actually, you're going to add an and. So now, these come in, you're going to just forget about this, I guess. Okay, so if I had more room over here, but I don't want to draw that out, it would just keep going. So it would fill out the whole bar, so there would be actually 8 of these in the bar. But when you add these, then they're doubled, right? So it'd be like 1 and 2 and, like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, like that. So it would sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I messed up there. Still too early for me. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like that. Okay, so that is time signatures, beats, and like notes and stuff like that. Kind of just winged this one a little bit. But yeah, okay. So I'll probably cover more of this later in other lessons, but I think I'm running out of time. So I'm just going to quickly teach you one more thing. A scale. Okay, this is the first scale in the flat side of it. It's called F major. Now, we had sharps, which got raised up, and then we have flats. So if you're on the G and it's a G flat, it'd go down. So if you remember, it's Father Charles goes down and ends battle. That is the way you get your sharps. Now if you want your flats, you just reverse it. So you go, battle ends and down goes Charles' father. So, battle ends and down goes Charles' father. Okay, so in F major we have one flat, so it's battle. So B is flatted. So it's just going to be like this. One more time. Okay. Okay, so I don't think I have enough time to teach a song today, but okay. I hope that was informative, and I hope I didn't mess around too much and confuse you a lot. It's kind of hard to rush through that and just teach it all in like a few minutes, but I think I did a pretty good job of it, I hope. Okay, I hope you guys found that good, and keep practicing. Good luck. Bye.